Yeah, welcome back to our discussion on indices. Today we are going to look at what we call exponential equations. When we talk of exponential equations, this is the form of equations in which the variables to be solved are usually the exponent. So here, the variable x that we are going to look for, or y we are going to look for, is an exponent. So example of this kind of equation would, for instance, be maybe 2 raised to the power x equals to, let's say, 3, like this. The x that we are going to look for is an exponent. So this is what we are going to be looking at going forward. So most of such equations are solved using the rules of indices. Others are solved using logarithms. So going forward, after our indices, we are going to look at logarithm. So let's take our first example. We are asked to solve 2 to the power x to be equals to 8. Now what we do here is that 2 to the power x has a base of 2 and an exponent of what? X. The 8 is just a whole number, and we try to write the 8 in an index form where the base is the same as the 2 over here, which is equally possible. So I'll write 2 to the power x and my 8 as 2 to the power 3, because 2 to the power 3 will give me 8. Now going forward, once we have been able to express them to the same base, the argument is that their exponents are also the same. So once the bases are the same, we equate their exponent. Here, equating the exponent, I will say x is equals to 3. Good. So we solve for our x. Now, let's look at the second example. Here too, we are given 9 to the power x minus 1 to be equals to 27 raised to the power x plus 1. Now, we can only equate the exponent only when the bases are the same. The first one is having a base of 9 and the second one a base of 27. We can express 9 and 27 to the same base, and that base is 3. 9 is 3 raised to the power 2. We have our x minus 1 is there. 27 is also 3 to the power 3. Then our x plus 1 is there. So going forward, I can say I have 3 to the power 2 into x minus 1 as my exponent. 3 into bracket 3 into x plus 1. So now that our bases are all 3, 3, we can take their exponent and solve them. So equating their exponent, I have 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 3 into x plus 1. So we expand this to get 2x minus 4 to be equals to 3x plus 3. So we group like terms by saying 2x minus 3x to be equal to 3 plus 4. So I have my minus x is equals to 7. Therefore means that x is equals to negative 7. So this is our first two examples. We are going to look at other examples. Thank you.